Make conditionals more elegant with inversion. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting topic: inversion in conditional sentences. This is a fantastic way to vary your sentence structure and make your English sound more sophisticated and natural. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. First off, let's quickly review what conditional sentences are. They are sentences that express cause and effect, possibility, or hypothetical situations. They're often composed of an if clause and a main clause. Now, inversion is a sentence structure in which the auxiliary verb comes before the subject. This usually happens in questions, but today we're going to see how it works in conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, we can use inversion to remove if and create a more formal or dramatic effect. Now let's dive into some examples. Remember, these are not questions, but statements. We're just switching the order for a more dramatic or formal effect. 1. If you were to see her, you would be surprised. 2. Were you to see her, you would be surprised. 3. If I had known, I would have told you. 4. Had I known, I would have told you. 5. If you should need any help, let me know. 6. Should you need any help, let me know. Notice how we eliminate the if and move the auxiliary verb before the subject. Alright, it's practice time. I will give you some sentences, and your job is to rewrite them using inversion. I'll give you a moment to think about each one before revealing the answer. 1. If it should rain, we will stay indoors. 2. Answer: should it rain, we will stay indoors. 3. If I were rich, I would travel the world. 4. Answer: were I rich, I would travel the world. 5. If you had listened to me, you wouldn't be in this mess. 6. Answer: had you listened to me, you wouldn't be in this mess. 7. If he should arrive late, we will have to start without him. 8. Answer: should he arrive late, we will have to start without him. Remember, inversion is not required in English, but it's a great way to diversify your language use and add a touch of formality or drama to your speech or writing. And that's a wrap on inversion in conditional sentences. I hope this video helps you understand how and when to use inversion to make your English more varied and sophisticated. Practice these exercises, and soon, using inversion will become second nature to you. Keep up the great work, and remember, the key to mastering English is consistent practice. See you in the next video.